We're got a 11% stretch. Almost there. This is a short tunnel. Ooh. Phone rang. Couldn't get reception on it. Strange. I think it was Johnny Maletta returning my call. Much easier ride than the others. Up at Foza, nearly there. Ah, more riders. It's humid up here. Foza's still up ahead. Wait from here. He's wearing the Freddie Martin's Vel de Flandria top. Un amico.
Ah, è tuo amico questo?
Quello più piccolo, Rudy. Sono Sebastiano io.
Da dove sei partito?
D'inizio?
Sì.
Cittadella qui.
Cittadella.
Ma siamo del Sud Australia.
Sì, però da Cittadella.
Having stopped to speak to Johnny Maletta on the mobile and talk with some Venetis, 3 riders in their 60s. Rudy and Gabriele have caught up. We're now going to the usual fountain stop onto Foza up ahead here. Si ferma qui sempre.
Free water.
Yeah. Wasn't too bad. Curved the last stretch was a bit of a drag. Gabriele, dove inizio il tratto di discesa più grande, più lungo?
Adesso il tratto di discesa.
Oh, ok. Andiamo a destra qui.
Sì, sì.
Looks as if we're going back again, slightly uphill. Wow, look at that. I think that's Stoccaretto down there. We're going to have a coffee break. Yay! This is where I usually stop for my coffee. We've just had a bit of a coffee break in Foza, and we're heading out towards Stoccaretto, where Giorgio took my photo back in 2007, the good old days. And then we're heading out to Sasso, and then we'll go out to Ronchi, and then back to Bassano. My legs feel shot now after that break. We're up around 950 meters, maybe 1,000 odd. Asiago is at 1,000, and that's a little bit ahead. Se vada qui. Yeah, no. No, mi sembrava.
C'è un altro più avanti.
Va bene, Gabriele.
Ciao.
Ci vediamo più tardi. Siamo a Giorgia fino a giovedì mattina. Ciao.
Ciao.
We're going to Stoccaredo. Yeah. Well, we're lucky we're going this way. Bloody hell. Downwards, I guess. We can only hope. I wouldn't know. Yeah, I guess so. Otherwise, we're going to have to go back up again. Thank God. Nah.
Actually, it has to be right because he said there was another one further down, so we're heading in that direction.
Bloody steep, my God. Look out! Heck a lefty. Jesus, like a freaking roller coaster. Jesus, this is steep. Wow, man. It's 14% minus. That, oh, oh, that is, God, that was steep. That's what you call it downhill. Man, that'll be a gut buster coming up. 16%. Not much. We should go this way. Now, where's that church? I'm trying to see where the church is.
Can't see fuck all.
Ah, there it is.
What?
There's the church. Giorgio took me there. You see the road? See if we can see that. Can you see that road just down there? See it down there? Church. Not bad, eh? Whew. Oh, bit of a slog. Here comes Rudy. Menjadinya. Bassano. Oh, have a look over here. Something to peek at, maybe. Oh, nice flowers and things. Lovely day as usual. High humidity already. You reckon?
Only when you're climbing. Not when you're just in there.
Okay, let's go. Now, your beauty. Tighten the shoes up a bit. Last bit of water. Crap that it is. Oh well. What do you expect for nothing? It's not mine. have a bit of fun here. Oh. Now which way? I guess this way. Ooh. Try and get in here. Not too bad. The zip up. Yeah, I've seen that sign a few times. Also by car. Yes'm. Very much so, left. Oh, bit of a bump there. Oh, that was nasty.